All right, good morning, everybody. My name is Kathleen, and I will be doing the weekly impact weather briefing for the week of April 4th through the 10th. So what we can expect for the weather pattern this week is somewhat of a roller coaster of temperatures. We will have a cold front going through early in the week, some better chances for rainfall midweek, Wednesday, Thursday time frame, and then cooling down again for the late week and into the weekend. As far as the severe thunderstorm potential goes, only a slight chance across the northwest and north this afternoon, but it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of chance beyond that for anything strong to severe. Something that was introduced this week, or I should say last week, they introduced a D0, which is abnormally dry conditions for generally the Charlotte area and points north and northeast up to about the Yadkin River. And that was issued prior to the rainfall that we received midweek. So the image there on the lower right is the rainfall that we got midweek or so, and so how that will impact the D0 will be determined on Tuesday, tomorrow. Here's the forecast for precipitation from the Weather Prediction Center for the week. Not a whole lot of chances today, and like I said before, mainly across the north if we get anything today. Dry tomorrow, and then best chances will be Wednesday night and maybe lingering into Thursday, drying out again for the weekend. The 8 to 14 day outlook, you can see we've got chance for above normal precipitation and slightly above 50% chance of above normal temperatures. Some of the other hazards to speak of this week in the forecast for today, given the low relative humidities and the decent winds with stronger gusts, we do have an increased fire danger for much of North Carolina today through about 7 p.m. And temperatures tonight should be in the low to mid 30s, but given the winds we're expecting to stay up 5 to 10 miles per hour or so, we aren't expecting much by the way of frost freeze. However, tomorrow night, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, is when we are expecting temperatures to drop to freezing or below for a lot of the North Carolina region. And so right now we do have a freeze watch, but be on the lookout for the potential for a freeze warning to be issued at a later time, probably sometime either tonight or tomorrow morning. And just to summarize here, again, a roller coaster for temperatures, so warm today, cool tomorrow, warming up again midweek, cooler for the weekend. Best chance for rain is going to be Wednesday night into Thursday. Increased fire danger through 7 p.m. today, given the low RH and high winds. Freeze watch currently for tomorrow night into Wednesday morning will probably be upgraded to a freeze warning. And a new D0 for the Charlotte area and points in the southwest that was introduced last week. And that's it for the presentation. I will open up the floor for any questions. our drought conditions measured by precip or actual dryness. They're an accumulated precip that we've received over, I'm not sure the exact time frame, 30 to 60 days is what our hydrologist here is saying. And so if we are able to get a decent amount of precipitation over that D0 area, it could be knocked back down. We were hoping for more over that area this past week, and so, you know, whether that will be expanded or not, we'll figure out tomorrow. But hopefully we'll get a decent amount of rain midweek, and maybe that'll help those conditions out. And then the next question from Mark, still no likely severe weather on Wednesday night, Thursday. Not that I'm seeing right now, but that will be something I'm sure SPC will send out an update on tomorrow that'll be the day 2 and 3 outlook. So that they'll have a better idea on that tomorrow. Those are good questions. Anything else or anything I didn't answer? All right, I'm not seeing anything else, so thank you all for attending, and we will see you again next week.